Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple ways to tie the hairs of your kids. So first make small section of the hairs and make the plaits on it. Now join it on the sides and make the plaits. Now fold it and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next you have to take the hairs on the sides and tie it. Divide them into small parts using the rubber bands and fold it upward and make a bow-like shape as shown in the video. Fix it like this on the top using a rubber band and the pins. Now on the sides fix the hairs by dividing them and make the plaits and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and make a heart-like shape like this and fix it using a rubber band. Now on the sides, divide the hairs into two parts and fix it like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts on the back, make the plaits and it's done. Next, tie the hairs on the sides like this and divide them. Now make a shape like this and make a bow and fix it using a rubber band. Now after that, we will divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the plaits on the sides of the hairs and then fold it upward and fix it on the top like this in a shape of a bow. Now on the back, fix the hairs by dividing it, make the plaits and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs into 5 parts like this and make the ponytails. Now divide the hairs and make the plaits on it like this. Divide the hairs into 2 parts. Now fix them one by one as shown in the video. Now join it on the top and make a star-like shape. Fix it on, make the plaits like this and then fold it to make a bun and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it using the hairstyling tool like this. After rotating the hairs, fix it on the top in the same manner as shown in the video. Now take the hairs on the sides as well and fix it by tying the hairs like this in the same manner. Now make the plaits on the sides of the hairs and then fold it upward and fix it on the top of the hairs. Fix it properly using the hair bands or the hair clutches and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, divide the hairs into 3 parts and make the plaits on the hairs. Now take the hairs like this and fix it by joining the hairs and make the plaits properly. Take the hairs and divide them into 3 sections in the small parts and join them one by taking the hairs from the front. Give the lining effects in the front and follow the same process for the other side of the hairs. Join it properly as we are fixing it and your hairstyle will be ready once you join all the hairs again by making the plaits. Fix them together on the other side as well. Fix it properly till the end and it's done. Next, tie the hairs like this as shown in the video. Take small section of the hairs and make the plaits out of it. Take the hairs from the front and join it on the back slowly. Fix it properly as shown in the video. Follow the same process for the other side of the hairs. Fix it by taking the hairs from the sides one by one and give the lining effects all totally. Now take it till the bottom and fix the hairs by making the plaits only, and then after that we will fix it from the bottom and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and make the plaits like this. By leaving few section of the hairs on the downside, we will make the plaits and fold it upward, fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.